Mark. What we're going to do today is these are egg roll wraps. And I'm going to do a egg roll, but I'm not going to do just any egg roll. I'm going to do a super large because that's how I do things large. I like them large. We're going to do a super large egg roll. If this video doesn't work, you'll never see it. But I took 4 egg rolls and I put them together using water on the seams to create one big wrap. So when you do an egg roll wrap, you always put the pointy tip towards your body. See this pointy tip? It's towards my body. What we're going to make is we're going to make a chicken, cheese, jalapeno ranch egg roll wrap. So what I did is I took a cup of it's a coleslaw mix, and it's just the cabbage and the carrots. I added 2 tablespoons of water and I microwaved that for 1.5 minutes. I got some chicken breast. Actually, I'm cheating. This is canned chicken. I was going to stop and get some chicken thighs and chop them up. I thought that'd be delicious, but I just didn't have the time, and I wanted to do this. That's a 1/2 cup of sauerkraut, some jalapeno peppers. Hide the name brand because if they don't pay me, I'm not showing. Whoops, you saw it. And some ranch dressing. And I'm going to use some cheese. I'm going to use some mild cheddar. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want, but we'll see how this turns out here. I'm going to pause the camera and I'm going to throw some ingredients in here. This stuff here, I'm just going to mix it all together. Your sauerkraut, you want to make sure you get some of the water, get most of the water off of it as much as you can. Some chicken, we'll throw some of that in there. I'm going to put this camera down for 1 second. And I really didn't measure the chicken. I'm not measuring the cheese. I'm just throwing some in there. I don't know, that's probably a 1/2 cup or a little more. Some ranch dressing. We're going to say 3 tablespoons. Like I said, I didn't measure nothing. The only thing I measured was the cabbage and the coleslaw. And that was it. Put as much cheese in as you want. Put as much chicken in as you want. As much ranch dressing as you want. And stir this all around. Alright, after we get this all stirred up, we're going to put it on our jumbo size egg roll here. See how it turns out. Okay, we got the chicken, cheese, cabbage, ranch dressing. And like I said, it's a cup of cabbage, 2 tablespoons of water in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. 1/2 cup of cabbage, cooked cabbage, or I'm sorry, sauerkraut. 1/2 cup cooked sauerkraut. Cheese, I didn't measure it. Chicken, I didn't measure it. Ranch dressing, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. But when you fold an egg roll, and I'm not a professional, you want to try to put that in the center. You're going to take this little piece here, and you're going to fold it over, and I want you to use some water. You use water. Water's like the cement of the egg roll. Just put a little there, and you're going to put that little flap down there. Just like that. See how the flap's down? Okay, and it should stick pretty decent. Then I want you to take this flap, I want you to kind of fold it in, and then I want you to kind of fold it over this way. Take some water, put it on your flapper. Put some water on your flapper here. Go like that. Like you're making that look. It looks like an envelope. That's a pretty good thing there. We're gonna fold this in. Get our flapper wet. You can lick it. No, don't do that. And then fold it over. And I'll be darned if it don't look like an envelope. It does. We're going to mail an envelope. And then I want you to get this flapper all wet. If you don't want to use your finger, you can use a paintbrush. And then I just want you to kind of make sure you got that good and wet. It can never be too wet. No, it probably can be. So then I just want you to kind of roll it. Take this flap and fold it up. It's a nice little package. It looks like a burrito, doesn't it? But we don't want to use a burrito shell because it won't have the same texture and consistency when we're cooking it. You want to seal the edges with water. That's my wife recording. Tell her hello. Seal this with water. Can you hit the pause so I can? No. Okay, I got my Mr. Misto can. It's been through the war. But what this is this is vegetable oil. You can put canola oil, sunflower oil, whatever kind of oil you want to use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this down. Doesn't have to be soaking wet, but you want to spray it down pretty good. And the reason why you do this is you want this to be crispy as if you deep fried it. Take your water, sew your edges up. Like I said, you could use a burrito, but we don't want it to be the burrito texture. We want it to be the light and fluffy, crispy egg roll texture. Spray it down with some more vegetable oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a pressure cooker, or I'm sorry, in the air fryer. We're using the foodi Ninja. The foodi Ninja. We're using the Ninja foodi, and we're going to cook it at 390 degrees for about 8 minutes. So once again, we made today is Tuesday, and it's Egg Roll Tuesday, because I said so. But it's not just any egg roll. Look how big that is. That's 4 egg roll sheets. This is extra, extra large, because that's how we do it around here. Anyway, we're going to put this on air fry, or they call it air crisp. We're going to set this. Oh, I guess we got to, okay, there we go. Air crisp. It's telling me to shut it. Hold on. Let me start over again. There we go. I guess we have to put it in there first. So there's our extra large egg roll. Can you show them?
Yeah, because they didn't see it.
We're going to close the lid. Come on, cameraman. Focus. Okay, we're going to put it on air crisp. We're going to set the temperature. 390. Good. 8 minutes. Start. I'm just going to start going around. Starting to count down. There we go. You see the little air crisper symbol? Okay, you can pause it. We'll show you what it's going to look like. Anyway, I'm cooking with Mark. Hey, we made a egg roll. It's Egg Roll Tuesday, because I said so. Anyway, we made a giant egg roll. Now, you could make smaller egg rolls. Hey, yeah, I'm wearing pink. Real men wear pink. We wear pink. We cook. We drink beer. We like beer. And anyway, I made an egg roll. It's an extra large egg roll. You could break it down. You could do individual egg rolls. The small ones the way you're supposed to. But I like things extra large like myself. I'm extra large. Anyway, I'm going to show you this egg roll. Here it comes. Here comes the extra large egg roll. It's coming. Look at that. What do you think? I know it looks like a burrito, but don't confuse it. It has the light, crispy, tasty, flaky, crunchy outer shell of an egg roll. And on the inside, it's chicken cheese, ranch, and I don't know if anybody noticed, but when I was giving the description, it was supposed to have jalapeno peppers. Well, guess what? I forgot them. That's right. I forgot them. Let's get this thing out of here and see what. I'm going to let this thing cool down a couple minutes. It is hot. I had it on 8 minutes at 390, and it's hot. It's hot like me. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's hotter than me. But it feels like an egg roll. Okay? Touch it. Like an egg roll. We're going to cut it open here in a few minutes. Don't you wish your egg roll was hot like me? Hot. Jumbo size. 4 egg roll sheets put together to make one big egg. We're going to get a knife. And we're going to cut this open. Be ready. I'm scared. I'm really, really scared. Hold on. Out of the way of my picture. I'm scared. Really scared. Because I'm about to cut this open. Here we go. I know. Real men wear pink, but we still get scared. Follow it in here. Check it out. Brought to you by Pepsi Max. Let's take it out. We're just going to cut just the tip. Listen to that crunch. Can you hear it? Listen. Listen real close. No, that's a dishwasher running. But seriously, this is crunchy. Listen. Hear it? It's crunching. So I just cut it. My finger! Just kidding. Let's check it out. Doesn't look like much. But it is. It is something. Okay, here, look down in here. It's chicken cheese. Let's cut it like this. Why am I cutting like this? Because I can't fit that all in my mouth. What do you think? Move everyone up. Let's try a bite. Oh my god, it's hot! Hot! I'm just kidding. It's pretty good. It needs more cheese. Cooking with Mark. Extra large. See ya.